Hi, Lonnie.
Good morning, good afternoon po.
Good morning, Lonnie.
Yes po. I just want to share this new life of mine in the divine will. 2 years ago, this holiest and ultimate gift of God was introduced to me, and I embraced it. It's my longing. Kasi yung mga and I'm a person who encountered a lot uh, of problems, conflict in life. But then, from that time on, sip by sip na sinasabi dito, little by little ay naiba yung life. And in the community where I belong, kasi mayroon kaming community ng evangelization, and then in the church, and most especially in my family. Alam niyo po, ang nangyayari ay noon sa life ko, especially in the community, o 'pag magsasabi ka, andiyan na naman siya, puro puro God, puro Jesus sinasabi, yung something gano'n. So, nadi-distract ako noon, nasasaktan ako, umiiyak ako noon. And then sa church din, kasi kayo ng mga nag-a-assign, ako yung sa choir, nag-heal ang mga tao. "Oh, yun na naman yung kanta mo," yung mga gano'ng pangyayari. But then, learning in this and being nothing, and allow allow God, who is all. Little by little talaga po is they cannot resist na ang God, kahit na magagalit sila sa akin. But then they follow. Kung nag-fuse ako, katulad ng mga na papag-aralan ko dito na confusing, I fused in you, Jesus, this suffering that you suffered, and I put all I love yous, and I want to join you. And I want to do this suffering too with you. So alam niyo po ang nangyayari ay yung dahan-dahan silang yung we are at peace na. So ngayon, minsan ay puro na lang, tawanan na lang, hindi na yung nagigiling pag fused ka agad. Even in my family, kasi noon ay sigawan kami in front of our food, gano'n na. Pero there is love, may mga silence kami, but then na lang po yun. So, I embrace this divine will, and what we are learning here, there is life. And if we embrace this, hindi na yung, ito yung kundi nakikita nila, and I believe in that, na nakikita nila yung tao na Loni suffered a lot and there's something new. So, 'pag nasabi ko lang ang divine will, kasi mahirap mong sabihin, "Ay no," pero they never stop me to mention Jesus and Mama Mary and in their divinity. So, marami pa akong pinapag-aralan. Jesus allow me to in my nothingness, in my sinfulness, Jesus is molding me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, divine will. Thank you for this divine will, Senator po.
Thank you, Lonnie. Thank you for affirming that indeed it is the divine will that allows you to share in the mockery of the Lord. Diba? How can you do that without answering back? But it is the love of Jesus in you that draws them. No? So thank you for that.